guys, today I'm going to be doing another video with Kylie and Evan. And we found a little kitten in our backyard. She's adorable. She has a sore eye. It's her right eye. It's her right eye, not my left. And sorry that her room is a big mess, but she's a little adorable. She hasn't gone to the bathroom all day, which I don't think that's good. Yeah.
She won't. I just took her out.
I know. I'm gonna pause the video and see where we. Did you guys hear that? She's meowing. That's not
She's
zoomed
loving
in.
on the chairs.
Oh, there she is. There she is. She purrs like a motor.
No. Like, guys, if you would feel this, like,
It's
like a motor. It's like a motorcycle motor. It's like crazy. Now we're heading back here to the
Let's
tent for some reason.
put her right there.
See how small she is compared to this grass?
She's teeth. Oh,
Earlier she was hiding from the dog.
she's rubbing against the camera.
There she is.
Hey, look at the camera.
We're thinking about Ginger. I like that name.
I like peanut butter, but Mom won't allow it.
Ginger's cute.
Mom wants serve for Survivor or something else like. Here. Can you see it? Cookie.
Come here. See. Okay, now we're gonna walk over here. Let's just do a little.
There's my bike. Okay. Where do you want to put her?
And did you guys changing rooms?
Oh yeah. I forgot to do a video on us changing rooms. I'm gonna do that very soon.
A new room tour.
Yeah, a new room tour. Well, it shouldn't really be a tour because it's like just like the other one. We can't go over there, Kylie. There's the boiler.
Thank you, guys.
Let's put her by the tree. The dogs keep attacking her.
Guys, stay tuned for the bedtime routine.
No, stay tuned. I'm gonna make a whole different video.
Yeah, I mean, like, stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned on my channel.
Come here.
She can walk. Kitty, kitty.
Oh, she's got fuzz on her.
She had fuzz on her.
There's another bath.
Look, she walked. She's walking.
She walked past me.
Ooh, earlier when I picked her up, she farted. Look, there's Optimus.
Don't move. That's their other cat. They hear she hears.
Wait. Don't, Optimus. This is so adorable, you guys. Wait, they're having a conversation.
But Optimus
They're
is so
having a
much
face-off.
bigger.
It's adorable. Oh, your finger's in the way.
I know, but hold it.
Good boy. Hi, good boy. Are you afraid of it? Oh gosh.
Aww.
Which one hissed?
Optimus.
I got that. Did I get it all on camera?
I don't know. That was hilarious.
Comment if wait. Oh
Comment
my
down
gosh.
below if you saw that. That was hilarious. Optimus was rubbing me trying to eat that.
He tried to eat that. He's a male, so he might attack her.
That's true.
Yeah.
But I was thinking like he would think that he is her.
They were having a conversation. Did you hear that?
Yeah, but if they get too close, they go.
You sound like a wild cat.
See that?
Oh man, I don't think I got that one on camera.
I'll put you down. She thinks it's her mommy.
No,
Or daddy.
she really doesn't.
She's just laying there. She doesn't really care.
Hey, where you going?
Optimus is a little camera shy, so.
I never actually got the chance to get him on camera. I don't think I've ever gotten
This is
him on
Optimus.
camera.
They've had him.
Other than when he was on the porch. Yeah, Optimus. Oh gosh, guys, I got that on camera, didn't I?
Let's show you.
Did you just fart again? You little girl.
Stinker. That should be her name.
What a stinker.
She
Oh,
farted
my
over
battery's
there by the
loading
tree,
low.
too. Okay.
You little stinker.
Oh, look.
Hey, that was you.
Let's see if you guys can see this.
Hey, Optimus. Hey, Optimus, you want to look at the camera? Hey,
Say
Optimus.
hi. You're the other eyes.
Hey. Ow! I just realized that's a thistle
And
plant.
the only reason Optimus came was because he heard her.
Yeah. Her little tail is so fluffy. Okay.
Bye, Optimus. Are you following me?
I don't think Optimus really likes her. Oh yeah. Comment down below if you want if you know a name, and I'll ask my mom, and then I'll do another video of.
Really?
Wait.
He was scratching me.
Cats always do that.
You're the queen of the world.
Dude. I got that on camera. I got that on
I don't
camera.
think she likes him. Do you like him? Oh, do you like him? You have a lot of booger eye. Are you loving that? Is that your type of bed?
He used to have a defense log where it was hollow.
Yeah.
But I think we took it away.
Did he get inside of it or something?
Yeah, he got inside of it
Just
when
in
the
case?
dogs chased him.
Oh, I don't think.
I don't think you
Okay.
should do that.
Okay, guys, now we're gonna take her inside because I don't think she's loving this.
Okay, so like and subscribe
And
and leave a comment down below of what her name should be, and I'll ask my mom. And then I'll do another video of which comment actually won.
oh yeah, buy the stick. By the way,
Or-
stay tuned on his channel for the room tour. Well, not the room tour.
Not the room tour. I will kind of do a room tour,
Just show you around and stuff.
but we're gonna do a bedtime routine.
Okay.
But it has to be at night,
It is
like at 8.
It's almost night.
Yeah.
So bye. Oh, you can't see me.
Bye. Like and subscribe and
See you next
hit
time.
that notification bell to get notified on my videos.